Hey guys, in today's video we are going to be making sheet pan chicken fajitas, and what you are going to need for this recipe is 3 peppers, yellow, red, and orange, 2 to 4 chicken breasts depending on how many people you are feeding, 1 whole onion, and fajita seasoning. Any fajita seasoning will work for this. And what I did was I cut everything into strips so that way it was easier for the video and you're not sitting here watching me cut everything and boring you with it. So I just went ahead and did all of that, and you are going to just need a sheet pan for this because, like I said, it is a sheet pan recipe. If you want to see how I did it, then just keep watching. And this is what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button and notification bell, and I will see you guys next time.